So just put your hand here, okay, and use your knife to do it like this. All the dirty will come out. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video I want to show you how to clean mushroom. This is oyster mushroom, okay? So follow me as I want to clean this. As you can see, watch out for our previous video how we get this mushroom, okay, and how we prepare egusi. So mushroom egusi soup, egusi Ijebu, is on my YouTube channel. So this is, I want to clean this mushroom. This is oyster mushroom. So I want to, this is my small knife. I want to peel it like this. See? If you want to do it like this, be careful of your hand because of the knife, okay? You see, this is dirty one, so I want to cut this one out. So just put your hand here, okay, and use your knife to do it like this. All the dirty will come out. See? You cut this one out. So beautiful people, this is how we clean it. This one is dirty water, okay? I want to take another water. dirty. So it's clean now. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. This is our mushroom. Okay, subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Mwah. So we want to prepare food. Okay, as you see, I've set my cooler pot and my, so watch the full video, our next video. Okay. Mwah.